Hello everyone. Today we will be solving question number 4 from GATE 2019. The question is, the incorrect statement about the silicones is option number A, they are thermally unstable because of silicon-carbon bond. Option number B, they are insoluble in water. Option number C, they are organosilicon polymers. And option number D, they have stable silica-like skeleton, that is SiO-Si skeleton. So silicones were discovered by F.S. Kipping when he reacted alkyl or aryl substituted chlorosilanes with 2 molecules of water, 2 molecules of HCl released to give this compound, and then if we react 2 molecules of this SiRr OH, then H2O releases from it and this compound is formed. Now if we add one more R SiR OH and OH, this chain will increase and we will get something like this OSiR R OH, and here let's say make one more Si. So here one more is Si R R and OH. Like this, if we keep on adding n number of R2 OH2 Si, then we can get silicones. So this is known as silicones. Now the options which are given in this question is, they are thermally unstable because of silicon-carbon bond, they are insoluble in water, they are organosilicon polymers, and they have stable silica-like skeleton. So this is the structure of silicones. Here we can see that silicon is coordinated to R. Now we know that organometallic compound means organometallic compounds means that there is a carbon coordinated to metal. Similarly, organosilicon compound means there is carbon coordinated to Si. So here we can see that there are two R groups, alkyl or aryl groups coordinated to the silicon. Hence, it is an organosilicon. Silicones are organosilicon compounds. And they are having this chain-like structure, so they are polymers as well. So they are organosilicon polymers. This option is a correct statement. This is a correct statement. Now, if we look into the structure, we can see that they are having this SiO type of linkage. Okay, so this thing is silica-like skeleton. So they are have these silicones, they are thermally stable, and the stability comes from from their stable silica-like skeleton, which is SiO-Si type of chain, and that is because the bond energy of silicon and oxygen is very high, that is 502 kilojoule per mole, and this thermal stability arises also due to the high strength of silicon and carbon bond. So the option that they have stable silica-like skeleton is also correct, and they are thermally unstable because of SiC bond, This statement is incorrect because this thermal stability arises because of silicon and carbon bond, not for the instability. So this is an incorrect statement. Now, option number B, that is, they are insoluble in water. For this, so this is the structure of silicon. Okay, and here we can see that the skeletal system, it is SiO(Si), but each of the silicon is coordinated to two aryl or alkyl groups, which are hydrocarbons. So if we look from this structure from outside, it looks like an alkane type of compound, as these are organic group. So because of the presence of this R group, they are hydrophobic and hence they are insoluble in water. Insoluble in water. So coming back to the question, that is, which is the incorrect statement about silicons? So they are thermally unstable because of SiC bond. This is incorrect. They are stable. They are insoluble in water. Yes, they are insoluble in water because of the presence of those R groups. They are organosilicon polymers. Yes, this statement is also correct. They have stable silica-like skeleton. This statement is also correct. So the incorrect statement among the given options is option number A. So this is the correct answer for question number 4. To know more about this topic, please watch the lecture series on main group chemistry by Professor M.S. Balakrishna from Department of Chemistry, IIT Bombay. In GATE NPTEL portal, you can find these videos. Thank you.